Hey guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2025, that is correct, a 2025 Kubota SCL1000. This unit is out of a dealer's demo fleet. This unit is sold with a new warranty. The warranty just started December the 10th. It will have full warranty until 12/10 of 26. We'll have emissions warranty, which is really no emissions on these, but till 10 of 27. So this is a brand new unit, has 98 hours. Again, it was a demo machine. Very, very nice. There is no BS with this. There's no anything. This is 100% legit. I own this myself. It's 100% free and clear. But this is a new machine, and there is a heck of a savings on this compared to a brand new machine off the lot. This is coming with an OEM Land Pride 42-inch smooth edge bucket with the bolt-on cutting edge. We're going to start you here right underneath the hood. We're going to open that up. This unit is going to be powered by a Kubota 3-cylinder diesel engine. These are a very good little machine. These do have a little turbocharger on them. Very cool how they've actually designed this machine. I did just power the dash up here so we can actually see inside. They have these side removable covers right here. They're going to come off. Pretty nice how they've actually made these to actually be easy to work. Tandem pumps are setting up front. It's in line. Very easy to service and get into and work on. Up front, you're going to have your auxiliary hydraulic control. You're going to have your standard 2-pin skid loader quick attach. As far as a dingo style friendly coupler, you do have a hose buddy down here, hose holder system. These are going to be a vertical lift path machine. We're going to go ahead, enter the passcode we currently have in it. So 98.2 hours. One nice thing, we can actually shut that off, turn that back on. It's going to take us right back to that display screen. We're going to go ahead and shut it off again so everybody can see the complete startup procedure. So we flip the switch back on. It's going to power back up your dash. And then you're simply going to start the machine. Going to have a very simple auxiliary unlock for the joystick controller. You can shut that back off. You have your headlight. You can have a display screen here of different things you can set, different parameters. 12-volt cigarette lighter plug. This does have a pilot style control right here, much like used in the Toro Dingo style setups. Very smooth. It does also have your hand throttle there. Underneath, you do have a lever you can pull. Your back panel here will come out and allow you to access everything you need here in the back side. This is going to simply slide back up in here, back in, and it's going to lock. Stand-on platform will fold up out of the road if you need it to. Again, you can see the unit is like new, undercarriage is like new. Give them a close-up here. One thing I do like that they've done in this unit, the track adjuster actually adjusts the back instead of to the front. Most traditionally, everything pushes forward. That also means a lot of crap and whatnot gets packed in that tunnel on the front side. So they actually have these adjusting from the back, which I think is a very, very good thing. I also like how they've designed their sprocket not to encapsulate the dirt or mud. It allows you to be able to clean around the actual drive motor shaft to keep debris and whatnot getting around your drive motor shaft seals. So I think there's a lot of things that Kubota's really designed there very well. Ease of greasing the machine. We actually greased it last night because we did do a full service on this and we did detail the machine. Has been waxed. It's very simple to maintain and grease. So guys, we're going to fire this machine up and we're going to run around and show you it does everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. So again, vertical lift path machine. See how it's going to bring those arms forward. One other nice thing they've done on the auxiliary hydraulics, they did put thumb or finger switches right up top here. Very handy. The thing is very smooth. Effortlessly turns. Very good reaction timing on the controls. undercarriage rides very good. Because you got pilot control, you have a lot of good functionality with your loader control, and you can keep your controls. You can kind of keep very, very smooth for what you need it to do. I like the visibility too of the machine. You got very good visibility down to your front track, the front corners of your tracks. Again, you can counter rotate. Again, guys, this is a brand new 2025. I say brand new, it's a new dealer demo. Buying this machine. It has full warranty. Again, it just started. Like new machine, guys. Heck of a savings. There's no corks, bull crap about it. There it is. You want a nice, clean piece. Here it is, factory bucket. It is 100% serviced. We changed every filter and oil. That way I know it's done and taken care of. Machine is 100% ready to go. If you've got any questions, 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. We do take a lot of pride in what we do here with this by taking these videos and giving you this time. We should be doing other things, but we do this to accurately show what something is. Guys, again, you got any questions, 814-658-3066. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.